This is a little Cadence Jeep I got for him for Christmas 2007. We haven't been able to ride it for a while because the battery was dead and the switches were all messed up. Me and TT just rigged it up with a 12-volt battery in it. I think it has reverse now, TT. Try it.
What?
Yeah, it has reverse. We fixed it, remember? Yeah, remember?
Yeah, Mama.
Yeah. Sit down in it, go.
So,
Remember, this is the button that you push to make it go forward. Now go.
go.
This thing's fast now. Yeah. Why can't you go? Did you crash on purpose? It's in reverse now, son. Don't go in reverse. You want it to go the other way. Now go. Are you stuck? Put it in reverse. Yeah, push that button down. Now go in reverse. Go. Push the button. No. Now go. Push the gas. Go. Look, son. We fixed it. Now you can just push the gas. Then it'll go in reverse. Push the pedal. Push the pedal. Alright, now go. Alright, say bye to the camera.